It's 5 a.m. and it has been raining all night, pouring all night. And as soon as I woke up, the first thought into my mind was, this is the best time to get up and meditate. So here's an interesting thought. Between 3 a.m. and 6 a.m., that's actually the best time to meditate and do spiritual work. Energetically speaking, it's the time when we are most connected to the spiritual realm. We are most connected to our higher selves. And from a 3D perspective, that's the time when most people are sleeping and also connected to the spiritual realms because they're sleeping and in that altered state of reality. And today, it's also amplified by the energy of the rain. I posted a previous video where I explained that the rain is so powerful in helping us connect to our emotions. So every time it rains, take the time to simply be and be grateful. Connect to yourself and just connect to the energy of nature. The rain is also very purifying. It's great for emotional release. It's great for releasing anything that you want to let go of. Have a magical day.